Hi, I am Nancy. Welcome to my balcony and my gardening. In this video, I want to show how to propagate sage from cuttings. It's a lot simpler than what you think. You just need to cut some branches and put it in a water and let them rest in indirect sunlight. After 3 weeks, you can check if the roots are formed. Mostly the roots will be formed. Then you can transplant them to the containers. The cuttings in this video are 3 weeks old and the roots have been formed, and I'm going to transplant them to the pot. If you don't know what is sage, it's actually a herb which is used mainly in Europe. In India it's not so popular, but still you can have it as a plant because the leaves of the sage are super soft and it's more like velvet cloth. It has like a little fur on top. I don't know the right word to use is fur. No, it's not, but I'm not sure what the word is. However, I wanted to say it is very super soft leaves, and if you crush it on your hand it will give a nice smell, and it's very easy to grow, easy to propagate from stem. Now I just transplanted them to this pot, and one of them I left it in water because there is not enough root growth. I will check it after 2 more weeks. And one important thing you must remember is you should not put it on direct sunlight just after planting it in the pot. It has to expose to sun slowly, like 2 hours a day or something, so that it can adapt with the new climate. Also, cutting the stem from mother plant is very important so that it can make branches. Unless and until you cut the head of the sage, it will not make branches. This sage plant was a gift to me. If you notice, they already cut the head to make branches, so it looks more full. So once it grow a little bigger, I am going to cut these branches to propagate the babies, and also it will give me more branches. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and follow my channel. Bye bye.